Well, hey guys, this is Tony. It's about time that I got a train passing through here. This one has to be Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 train going by. Let's watch them go by. Well, that was something there. Oh man, it's about time. I don't know what happened to my freight trains this morning. That was crazy. Well, there goes Amtrak Texas Eagle 22, and I'll be watching the signal stuff and see what happens here. But if the lights shut off on me after Amtrak gets a lot closer to the station, then I'm not gonna have any more time to be out here because I still have to get ready for work and stuff. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.